Okay, YouTuber, welcome to the channel once again. My name is Ademola, and I'm welcoming you to this update of the video on Chainlink USD analysis. Okay, this chart, I drew this chart some days back. I should be almost going to 2 weeks now, around here, and that was when we actually make this second leg down, and we call out this divergence, and I said this is a bullish divergence. I actually call this then that this is a bullish divergence that we should expect a rally up, and you can see we've made serious upward move. At least this should be about how many percent gain now? Talking about okay, today's percent is about 17%. But if you look at where we topped out, we're talking about nearly 25, 26%. Okay, now there's something I need to explain here, because in the last video that I made, I was actually saying that this may not be the wave three, the end of the wave three, but based on what we are seeing in the chart here, and this very chart actually indicate that wave three is actually complete. That's just it. If you look at this, if you look at this point here, you discover that we come right to 61.8. Let me move this now so that you can see this is exactly uh 0.618, 0.618. Okay, so this is the golden pocket. So when we retrace, we actually move directly to the 0.618. I was actually expecting it to go a little bit higher, but as you know, this is market, and I'm not really interested in taking profit until when I see the wave 5, which is actually my target. That's where I'm actually hoping to take profit. So I really don't bother myself about this wave 2 or wave 4 either. Okay, so I just want to point that out straight that wave 3 is complete. As a matter of fact, we had a week above the wave 3 target. The wave 3 target was 13.98, and I believe I actually stated all these target, and then wave 1 we had a peak above it also. So um for me, I believe is better my target is below the top, so that it get trigger than it is above the top and then it doesn't get trigger, which I think is a smart thing to do. So I believe the fifth wave is coming in very fast. If you look at this fourth wave on a normal day, if you are trading this, and this line here should have been reaccumulation phase for you, because this is 0.38. This is 0.38. Okay, 382. So which is another important point on the Feb level. So, and you see we correct directly back to this red line. You can see it here. You see it here also. Now, if you look at the pattern from here, this is a typical ABC pattern. I told you in that video, in the video that we made on this date here, on the 11th, that we are going to have 5 wave, and inside this 5 wave, I believe we have A, B, C. You can see this fourth wave, I think we're having A, B, and C. Okay, so I believe that we have this correction come down to this level, and this 50 moving average will come right up to this level, and when we meet this 50 moving average, we are going to have a bounce. Now, if you look at Bitcoin currently, you discover that Bitcoin has been moving crazy. It has been doing crazy stuff. Going to 24 plus 24,000 plus. This is something. It's something. This time is different. This time is different, and this makes me want to believe that next year we may see Bitcoin going to as high as 150, 200,000, and into 2022 we might see as high as 300, 350,000 Bitcoin. So these are crazy numbers to look at. Now, if you look at this, now let's stay with what we are doing for the short time. Okay, now this price here, we're going to have the fifth wave ending around $15. Well, that is my price target. I believe that the price might we might weak out to 16, 17, but I will be taking profits if of course I'll be looking at means to take profit from anything this way five. I believe we have a kind of correction after this wave five. After looking at what has been happening in Bitcoin, I believe Bitcoin by this $15 Chainlink, Bitcoin might be going for like 26, 20, 25, 26,000. I mean, being saying 25 is being conservative. I believe we might be looking at 26, 27,000. So I know that a lot of people are calling for 30,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year, but I don't think it's going to happen. Like, seriously, I doubt if we're going to see 30,000 Bitcoin this year. But we might go as high as seeing 27, 26, 25, 5 range. Okay. Okay, I don't really trade my Bitcoin. I keep my Bitcoin as a reserve currency, and I make my savings in Bitcoin, not I don't trade it. So I believe that you should do the same. If you want to trade, you can trade altcoin like Chainlink, like Theta, like Zillag, and the likes. Good project like Zillag and Digibyte, and Digibyte has been doing nothing. Okay, by the way, I'll be releasing a video on Digibyte because something wonderful is going to come next year. I believe it's been slow for quite some time now. Where are we? Were we expecting this? Of course. Now, uh, so I'm going to release a video on where we're likely to go for Digibyte next. That will be our next video. Okay, talking about this current price action here, I believe we will come right to this red line for the last time, and then we'll hit this green line. I believe this moving average, 50 moving average, is going to be our major support to push. It's going to be a support to push us up. So by the time we come to this place, I will be expecting to see a divergence. Now let's look at this. If you look at this as stochastic RSI, you see that this has not closed. We still have some room to go down. We still have some room to come down here. We still have some room to come down here. And if you look at this, I drew this line that same day that this line is key. It has acted as major support and major resistance. When you come to it, you bounce on it, and then automatically you are going back up. And if you break it, you might go a little bit down further. And if you look at what is happening here, we just poke through it, and we are below it now. This is 49.77, and we are below it. So there is every tendency that with this stochastic RSI that we might come further than. And looking at this, there's no support anywhere in this range until we come to this I think this price target here, that's around 12 something, or let's just say $13. So if you're looking for means to buy in, you can wait a little bit for the price to come to 13.20, 13.22, and then I believe we are going to make something like this. I believe we're going to make something like this, come down like this, and then we're going to have some crazy number here. Okay, I believe we're going to make something like this, and then here we're going to add something like this, and first then we come like this, and off we go. Okay, so now here is the challenge, here is the problem that you should look at. This will form a divergence, and if you look at this price here, the RSI will be possibly below this. Okay, so this is going to form something like this is going to form a bearish divergence. It might, you see this price here might actually go above this into 16. It does not matter, but I want you to take note of this pattern. So this might come a little bit to 15, 50, 16. Doesn't matter where it goes to. But what I'm trying to explain to you is that we have a divergence here, and when this divergence form, you should get out. You should get out because it's going to get ugly, like ugly. But if you're a long time hodler, you know what to do because long time hodler does not have anything to bother about. You know, long time you Chainlink is going to go to 1,500. That's it. So, but if you are a trader, you may want to reaccumulate below this price target. Okay, so for the short time, I believe Chainlink is going to come down to 13.20 something cent and then go up to 15, and there will form a divergence, and at this divergence we are going to have some correction into the new year. Okay, so at this point we will have a Christmas rally, and I will call it the end of the year bonus from Santa, or Santa bless, or whatever you call it. Okay, so this is it. I want to also say this before I close this episode. I want to welcome everyone that just subscribed to the channel. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for appreciating our work. We really appreciate you. We appreciate your presence here. And I want to thank everyone that has been encouraging us in the comment section. You guys are the best. I really appreciate your words. It means a lot to me as a person. It means a lot to me. So I want to say thank you from my heart. Okay. I like to keep it simple and short as always. So we're stopping here. Our next video is going to be on what to expect on Digibyte for the long time. Is it a dead coin or something you should be accumulating little by little? Should you be taking in some things now? So I'll be looking at this in our next video. Okay. So thank you. Stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, if this is the first time you are viewing this channel, this video, please take time. This channel, take time to view all our videos. You see that we've been like 80%, 80 to 90% accurate on our calls, and this is no mistake. This is no mistake. So please watch those video and subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss what is coming ahead. Okay, thank you for your time. See you in our next video. Bye for now.